टेक्नोलॉजी की इस तेजी से बदलती दुनिया में ताकि बच्चे हमेशा आगे रहें, हम आपके स्कूल के लिए लाए हैं योलो का टेकी प्रोग्राम। About 80% of high-paying jobs in 2030 would require coding skills. It is critical for students to start learning how to code at an early age. We understand that the school curriculum can already seem busy to make space for coding skills. Hence, Techie is an integrated program that combines computer science with coding as one single scholastic subject, which is aligned with NEP 2020. Techie is the world's first digital platform with an animated series of lessons on coding, where students can both learn and practice. Through compelling storytelling and narratives, our computer science textbooks engage the students and help them grasp complicated computer science concepts easily. The Techie curriculum is divided into 3 parts: coding, tools, and theory. We provide a total of 60 classes, 24 for coding, 16 for the tools, 8 for theory, and the remaining 12 for revision. Of the total 60 classes, 30 are held in the classroom, with the remaining 30 classes conducted in the computer lab. In the classroom, the students learn through computer science textbooks along with immersive animated videos. For the computer lab, we have developed a one-of-a-kind teacher-student platform where all the learning happens digitally. For coding, we have 4 courses across grades 1 to 8. We start with the very basics of coding at each grade level, and hence, there's no need for students to have any prior coding knowledge. To ensure a fearless learning journey, we start by teaching block-based coding first and slowly transition to text-based programming languages. With tools, we teach 2 tools per grade. We cover new age industry relevant tools like the Google Suite, Canva, Figma, and more. All these software packages do not require the school to purchase any licenses. गया जमाना जब टीचर्स को हर स्टूडेंट का क्लास वर्क और होमवर्क चेक करने में टाइम गंवाना पड़ता था। टेकी के साथ मैनुअल टास्क्स आर ऑटोमेटेड, so teachers can focus on the individual as well as the collective growth of their students. We provide extensive training, both one-time and on-demand refresher training to familiarize computer teachers with the curriculum and the learning platform. Post-training, teachers are awarded certificates from leading technology companies to help with their professional development. A detailed teacher manual with self-help videos, lesson plans, a question bank with answer keys, and a question paper generator is made available to the teachers. To ensure the successful implementation of the Techie program in your school, we provide a dedicated relationship manager. Before the program starts, we inspect the lab and guide the school's IT team to make it ready with only minimal changes that may be required. Coding knowledge से ज़्यादा एक skill set है। Students जब computer lab में practice करते हैं, trial and error से अपने आप ही coding सीख जाते हैं. This is what the Techie program focuses on. Each student has a unique login where their progress is automatically saved. We understand that at times each student may not get a dedicated computer. So our system allows 2 students to log in on the same computer. Teachers can give quizzes to students to assess their progress and also monitor what each student is doing in the lab. Teachers can then choose to assign homework, which can then be graded from teacher platform itself. With Techie's inbuilt code playground, students develop projects that are showcased for the whole student community to see and explore. अब बच्चे स्कूल में कोडिंग सीखेंगे, मजे से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और रियल लाइफ में अप्लाई भी करेंगे।